guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Spice Breeze. Spice Breeze is a monthly spice subscription. They do have two different subscription options. There's a duo pack, which is 2 recipes and all the spices you need for those recipes. That's $5.90 a month. And then there is the quad, which is the 4, which I'm reviewing. That's $11.85 a month. So this is what we're gonna see what's in here. I love these. I love, like, the recipes are just so much fun to make, and they're so, like, varied, and I just think that's really neat. And I also think, like, the way they lay it out is really beautiful, and it brings out the beauty in the food we eat. So this is the April Culinary Spice Box. I will put the prices down below. I'll also link to Spice Breeze, and I'll also link to my full review where you can check it out. And I always make one of these recipes, so if you want to see one being made, check it out. So here we go. You open it up and it's just like this. Here's our 4 recipes, and then we have our a little paper here, and then all of our spices. How beautiful, right? All right, so Pad Ki Mao. This is a Thai recipe. And in our blend for this one, we have, where is it? Here it is, right here, this one. So it is spicy. It's chili, coriander, garlic, lemongrass, lemon peel, ginger, star anise, cilantro, onion, basil, cumin, white pepper, cinnamon, and lemon oil. This is all organic. So there's that. Then there's shukto. This is a Bengali, and that includes, so this looks like it's a rice dish with like almost maybe a curry. And that has 2 packets. So it's these 2 right here. We've got in the first one, Panch, Furon, cumin, fennel, fenugreek, brown and yellow mustard, and nigella. And then the second has yellow and brown mustard, Ajuan, and bay leaves. Ooh, I don't know which one I'm going to make yet. Our third recipe is spaghetti napolitana. It's an Italian recipe, which sounds like something that I could actually pull off really well. So in this one, we have tangerine peel, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, basil, and white pepper. That sounds really good. I've never heard of tangerine peel in there. And it's that spice blend right there. And then we have falafel, which I love falafel. I was a vegetarian for a really long time, so falafel was a very filling alternative. So here is our falafel spice. Let's see what's in there. And if you're not aware, falafel is Egyptian. I actually didn't know that, like where it originated. Oh, so in here it's just cumin and coriander. So that is everything. I think, honestly, this first one, the Thai recipe, sounds really good. And it looks like it's not like, it's made with beef, vegetables, long noodles, garlic, tamari or soy sauce, anchovy paste, sugar, like basic ingredients. And it looks like it's going to be so good. So I think I'm going to make that one. But if you're really curious, check out my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.